According to the Securities and Exchange Commission, it had for some time now been receiving complaints about the activities of SAIRUI Heng Group Limited from dissatisfied and concerned citizens, with the number of complaints via phone calls and emails rising to about 50 a day. In our interaction with workers of SAIRUI Heng Group Limited, we were told the company was not engaged in any capital market trading activity, but was rather an online shopping platform that allows people to purchase online stores where they can sell items. The company allegedly also runs a network marketing scheme which allows people to make more gains the more people they are able to bring into the company. In a response to questions by Citi Business News, the Deputy Director General Legal of the SEC, Mrs. Deborah Mawuse Agyemfrah, explained how they arrived at the conclusion that the general investing public needs to be warned about the activities of SAIRUI Heng Group Limited and SAIRUI E-Commerce Ghana Limited.
At the peak of the inquiries we got from investors, we were getting about 50 phone calls and emails in a day with inquiries about the operations of the CHY company. In addition to that, the SEC itself has a monitoring team, so we also picked up some signals about the operations of this company, which led to us inviting them for a number of meetings and also undertaking our own investigations. What the SEC noticed is that there are some characteristics of capital market in the operations of CHY company. What it is that there's the argument that they are saying they operate an e-commerce business, but it doesn't matter what you call yourself. It's important that the regulators also ask themselves questions and investigate your operations. So irrespective of the fact that they said what they are doing is called e-commerce, our investigations show that there are some characteristics of capital market in what they are doing.
Following questions about why the SEC had not shut down the operations of the two companies, Mrs. Agyemfrah said the SEC's mandate, among other things, requires that they caution the public and notify law enforcement agencies of the activities of such unlicensed companies.
What the SEC has done is, after warning the public, is to inform law enforcement agencies to carry out their own investigations and take whatever steps they have to take in making sure that the Ghanaian investors are protected. The SEC as a government body has its mandate, and our mandate at this point for an entity that is not licensed by us is not to shut it down, but to inform the appropriate authorities on what we have found out, and they can take whatever steps that they can take to make sure that this doesn't continue. But within our mandate, we only deal with entities that we have licensed. That is why we issue the public warning.